like a worm. Squeal to the left and do a little turn. Wiggle, 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 don't you stop. Wiggle to the beat and do the funky bop. Flap, flap, flap like a bright blue bird. Fly through the sky, tweet every word. Flap, 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 spread your wings. Let's soar around while everybody sings.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create kids song using AI, okay, for free. So now we're going to be going to our chat GPT because that's what we're going to be using. First, we need to get prompts that we're going to use to create the song, the list of the songs and all of that. Okay, so now these are the three prompts I'm going to be using. See, song idea generation prompt. So the first one, I'm going to copy this first one, that generate 10 creative fun ideas kids song, each with a title and all of that. So this is the first prompt I'm going to be sending to chat GPT to generate creative songs for me, their title and all of that, the style of music, and then it should be songs that should be playful, easy to sing along, and suitable for children aged 3 to 7. Each idea should focus on positive themes like animals, nature, friendship. So this is the prompt, and then I'm going to send it to chat GPT, and let's see what chat GPT sent to us. Okay, so now these are 10 creative and fun ideas for kids song. So see the title, wiggle like a worm, style funky pop, description. So this is the second one, rainbow train and all of that. It gave me up to how many there. So another one, best bodies bounce. So these are different song ideas, and I'm just going to choose one of these songs from here. We have the alphabet jungle, stars are dancing and all of that. So now I'm going to be going with the first one, wiggle like a worm. Okay, so this is the first one I'm going to be going with. So I'm just going to copy this first one because this one I'm going to be going with. So I'm going to be giving it a prompt, giving ChatGPT a prompt. I'm going to be giving ChatGPT a prompt that we're going to use to generate the lyrics of this song. Okay, since they only give us a title and then the style and then the description, we also need the lyrics of the song, right? Okay, so now I'm going to go into the second one, song lyrics script prompt. So now, using the selected song idea, write a full song script with lyrics that are catchy. Okay, so now I'm just going to select the second prompt for this. No, we are done with the first one. Now is the second one that we want lyrics for the song, right? So now I'm going to do this. Okay, so I'm going to copy the song title as well, so that it will be like I'll be referring to that song title up there, telling them that the one I've selected, they should please create a title. They should create a lyrics for me. All right. Okay, let's see. Okay. All right, so I'm going to be placing it up there, then bring this one down a little. Okay, so now using the selected song idea, they should write a lyrics for me, write a full song script with lyrics that are catchy, repetitive and fun for kids. Okay, so I just sent it to chat GPT. Let's see the song is going to give us. Wow, so here's the full song script for wiggle like a worm. Wow, 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 wow. See the theme, the animals and movements. Can you see what's going on? There's even an intro. Hey kids, are you ready to move? Let's wiggle, hop, and flap with some animal groove. Let's go. Okay, so this is the song that ChatGPT. This is the lyrics ChatGPT gave me. So we have chorus, verse 1, verse 2, and the rest of the song here. Okay, verse 2, chorus, bridge. It literally gave me a full song, like lyrics and everything. Oh my god. So now we're going to the third one. This third one is image prompt for each scene. So each scene of the song, we need an image prompt, right? So I'm just going to copy the third one now that has to do with image prompt. Remember, we're done with the lyrics prompt. Now is the image prompt, and this is the prompt I'm going to use. Generate an image prompt for each verse or scene of the song. right? So I'm going to just be sending to chat GPT that okay, this song lyrics he has given to me, we need it should help me give me image prompt that I'm going to use to for each scene or each verse of the song. Okay, that if when I get this image prompt, I'm going to be that's what I will use to generate the images for each scene. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So now this image prompt, the image prompt for Wiggle Like a Worm, intro scene, kids ready to dance, a bright, cheerful cartoon scene of a diverse group of happy kids in colorful clothes standing. Oh my god, can you just see what is going on? Then see chorus. A cute, smiley cartoon worm with big eyes and a wiggly body dancing on a grassy hill. The worm is wearing tiny sunglasses and grooving to music. Like, it literally gave me the right scenes for each song. Do you get? Give me the right scenes for each song. So, and I think this is really wonderful. I mean, AI is really doing a lot. So now I'm going to copy this song, right? We need to generate this song, right? So we need to generate it. And which other app, which other website are we going to be using? Which other AI website are we going to be using if not Snow AI? Right? So Snow AI will help you out with your song generation, right? So just go to your Google and then search for Snow AI. And this is the logo. It will bring you here. Once you've done that, make sure you sign up before you can start using it for free, of course. So this is it. This arrow that is down here, just tap on that music this thing down there. That's where it's will not take you to where you are going to be fixing in your lyrics. Okay, so just tap on that and then to bring you here. Then make sure you switch on that custom there, that arrow, that custom. Make sure you switch it on. It will give you the opportunity to fix in your lyrics. If it's switched off, you cannot fix in your lyrics. Okay, so now I'm just going to be, they say enter your own lyrics, right? So I'm just going to be entering mine, and then I'm going to be taking out something that are not needed, like this chorus repeat with extra energy. I'm going to be deleting all of that, the chorus verse that are there that are not needed, so it should always be the words of the song. Do you get? If not, when they're generating the music, they'll start singing the verse. They'll be like verse 3, they'll start singing it. So remove all of that before creating your music. So now they said the style of music. Let's look at the style of music that we have here. Let me check my chat GPT. Okay. Let's just go to the first one and see the style of music that we have here. Funky pop. Funky pop is the style of music here. Funky pop is style of music here. So I'm just going to copy that and paste it. Okay. So funky pop, and then I'm going to be writing out the description as well. The funky pop, and then I'll write out the description. Okay, a little bit of the description so that it will really understand what I want. Let's know I know that okay, these songs they are for kids as well. Do you get? So they will know too. Okay, so now I'm just going to paste that there on the style of music, a groovy wiggly song where kids copy different animals. I mean, this will really describe exactly what I want, and then they'll be able to give me that kind of song, children's song. Okay, so now I'm going to write out the title. You need to write out the title of your song as well. So we go like a worm is the title. So this is it. Just tap on create. After this, tap on create and almost your song. They're going to create your song for you. Okay. So no AI. Oh my god, this is really wonderful. This is really nice. Right? This is really, really, really nice. So now I'm just going to allow it to okay, this is it. And then we're going to be playing this song to hear both the first and the second song.
Wiggle, wiggle like a worm. Squiggle to the left and do a little turn. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle like a worm. Squiggle to the left and do a little turn. Wiggle, 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 don't you stop. Wiggle to the beat and to the funky bop. Hop, hop, hop like a happy green frog. Going through the puddles, jump over a log. Hop, 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 let's sleep real high.
Wow, 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 wow. So I'm going to be going with the second one because the second one sounds more like a kid's song. So now go to that three dot on the song and then download. Tap on download. You see download the MP3. So for commercial use, just subscribe. But if I just using normally, then just download it like that and go. Okay, so we have downloaded our song. Now go to your Google search and then search for Halio AI. Okay, so that's what we're going to be using to create our images. All right, remember we already have the prompts for our images. We're just going to be fixing those prompts and then we're going to be generating our images. So remember to register, using your email, right? Using your email. So here they're telling us transform idea to visual. Okay, so now I'm just going to go to my chat GPT, and then get the prompts. Okay, so right now I'm multitasking. So get the prompts. Can you see the prompt? So we actually started with our chorus first. Okay, so I'm just going to get the prompt for this chorus and then let's see, I think, okay, yeah, so I'll get the prompt for the chorus and let's see how it goes. Okay, so now I'm just going to select that text and then copy it and then paste it on where I'm supposed to paste it. I'll tap your idea, click create to get a video. Okay, so I'm just going to paste that there and then I'll tap on create and then it's going to create images for me. So what you do is the first one, go there, place your image, place your prompts, create, go to the next prompt on your chat GPT, come and paste it here again and create. Just keep creating. Can you see what I've created from all of this? Okay, so it has created all of this, like from, it's going to create from your image, going to give you image and then it's going to give you a video of it. Okay, so this is it. I mean, this is really really nice. So after that, so what Hello AI does is it creates images to video. Do you get? So as you're giving your prompt of your image, it's going to create it, make it in video form. All right, so now I'll come to my InShot. Now this is InShot. You can use CapCut for it to edit your work and then you can use InShot. For me, I'm using InShot. I don't use CapCut. Okay, so you can use InShot. InShot is very simple to use. All right, InShot is very simple to use, so you can just use that, come here and edit your work, fixing your the song as well, fixing the videos that you've you generated. Do you get? So you fix them in the right way, just the way the prompt says, the scenes, the right scenes, the right place the song is singing. Like this, we go like a warm. The first one is warm, so you make sure the song is in line with the video and all of that. And I go to my music. I'm going to go and get the song we go like a warm and make sure it's well aligned, and then I just use it exactly the way it is. Okay, so this is just it, and then please remember to subscribe to this channel.
Wiggle, 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 like a worm. Squeal to the left and do a little turn. Wiggle, 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 don't you stop. Wiggle to the beat and do the funky bop. Hop, 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 like a happy green frog. Going through the puddles, jump over a log. Hop, 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 let's leap real high. Reach up tall like you're touching the sky. Like a worm, squeal to the left and do a little turn. Wiggle, 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 don't you stop. Wiggle to the beat and do the funky bop. Flap, 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 like a bright blue bird. Fly through the sky, tweet every word. Flap, 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 spread your wings. Let's soar around while everybody sings.